In today's video, I'm going to show you how to filter leads by status in Lemlist. So first in the left panel, head over to campaigns and here open up the campaign you'd like to manage. And once inside, head over to lead list. And once you're in the leads list, look for the filters icon. So this is where you can see it and this is what it looks like. So click on it. And now look for status, usually at the top of the menu. And here, you can choose from different statuses like enriching, to launch, skipped, ready to send, and a lot more. So just tick the box beside the status you would like to enable and press the apply button. This makes it easier to prioritize follow ups, identify hot prospects, or clean up inactive leads. Thank you for watching this video. Also, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!